Alright, what's up guys, and specifically Dr. Jet. This is my submission for the Dr. Jet 2S challenge. I'll show you here. I have my UDI Aero. It just happens to fit the 5200 mAh 2S pack. It is comically slow in the RPM. It's half, I can run it on 4S, so it's half of what it was running on 4S. So it's about 15,000 RPM, so it should be hilarious. A good laugh if anything. But I have these practice cones I like to use for my cars, so I figured I'll use those. Drop one about every 25 foot times 4, and that should give me 100 feet. Okay, there's 25. All right, just show you there. 25 feet, right all the way out, straightish. All right, I figured out exactly how I'm going to do this. I think I'll make this the first stretch. And we just need 4 brightly colored cones. Let's see, orange and orange. And we'll do another orange. All right. One at the 25 mark. Should have pulled it out this way. One there, so that's 25. All right. Hope I have enough daylight. I kind of tried to come out here early enough after my nap. I didn't really sleep much last night after my incident with that guy. Maybe slept about 3 hours, and 3 hours just now. Just the incident playing over and over in my head, you know. All right, that's about 25. All right, 25. I know, it's not the Olympics. I just want to be accurate for the, or at least close, for the sake of accuracy. But 100 feet isn't it isn't as long as it sounds. I remember when I was a kid in elementary school, they took us out in the field and, all right kids, we're gonna measure 100 feet so you can get an idea how big a blue whale is, or something, you know, something like that. And it seemed like a real long distance at the time, but you know, when you're younger, things seem a lot bigger. That really sets in if you happen to go back to some of your childhood spots. Things seem a lot smaller when you grow up. It's funny. Oh, and I forgot to plug in my microphone. All right, well, I'm gonna plug this thing in real quick so we hopefully get some better sound quality, at least compare the two. All right, we're back, all mic'd up. No shenanigans. There's the 2S battery. I had a bunch of stuff swapped over to IC5 for my cars, and for the Blackjack 24, which I was actually considering running that on 2S, but that boat doesn't turn worth a crap. Be even slower. All right. I think I'll start from this end. It said 10 laps. Man, it's a little short. Let me get down here. Yeah, that's comically slow. All right, ready, set, go. It barely gets up on plane. Turns like a dream though. Oh, it's just drifting a little bit right. 2. Full trigger. Uh-oh, weeds. 3. I could probably increase the steering angle. And I should probably be going right. Oh, let me switch directions. 4. Right hand turns. What is that, 5? Six. Anybody falling asleep yet? 7. Oh. 8. 9. On the home stretch. 10. That is comically slow. Look at poor thing that can't even get up on plane. I think we're hung up with weeds too. Yeah, come on in. Come on in, Arrow. I'm not going to subject you to any more embarrassment. Poor thing. Yeah, I've got some stuff hanging off the prop there. I'm not going to stick my hand back there. But yeah, that's still the stock motor. 1800 kV or something like that. No name Chinese thing. We got 4 minutes. Yep, barely warm. Yep, things are okay. So yeah, thanks for watching. I know that's probably going to be the slowest, or one of the slowest ones out there. So yeah, just trying to, put my boat in the water, so to speak, and just have some fun. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.